I just harvested this banana
Wow.
and it is very, very big. Big
Sorry.
and heavy. Harvested it this
Wow.
morning at my garden.
This is massive.
Like seriously.
I can't lift it up. Daddy, I want to help
This banana is gonna weigh, I
Jeez.
think, about 60 to 70 kg or thereabouts. It's really big. And what I love about the banana is its taste and it's fresh. We didn't preserve, we didn't use any chemicals. We just planted it and allowed it to grow naturally the way it should grow. No fertilizers that are chemicals, nothing, just natural. You see, everyone is excited, everyone is happy, for the harvest is good, fresh, green, wonderful bananas. Please like, share, subscribe. You're welcome to my hobby life, my home studio out of the heart of Nigeria, Africa.